Hello traders, the title of the video is Chart Analysis Become a More Efficient NASDAQ 100 Chart Analyst. Alright, let's get started. We're on the monthly chart of the NASDAQ 100 index. The index that represents the 100 component of the NASDAQ 100 stocks. Alright, and today we want to talk about a chart analysis, how to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100, chart analyst. Alright, so there are three questions that we always ask if we want to perform a valid chart analysis. The first question is, where are we now? The second question is, where are we going? And the third question is, what has happened before? Those are three questions will help us to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst. So asking the second question, where are we going? We have a price target in place, so by using the depth of this tiny round bottom here, you can see price 10 around here. By using the depth of that round bottom here, we start projecting that target, that measuring stick, in the direction of the price to set a target. So first target was a few years ago, at 2692. As the price breaks above it, we project it again. That's what the professional are doing. So you can see that when they see the professional, the NASDAQ 100 analyst set their target, they will tell the client that there is a target at 2692. You see that some traders, market participants, did take profit here. And then they will say the next target is at 3588. Again, you can see the price did acknowledge that target level, and then they will say, the next target using the same measuring stick is at 4499. Again, the market did acknowledge that price target level, and here we are, a next target at 5408. Now, not much reaction here. Now, there is a reason why there was no reaction here. If you pay attention carefully to the pink trend line, I will be talking about the pink trend line very shortly. So instead of taking profit here, the smart money decided to take profit on the edge of the pink trend line. You will see that very often. If there is a better place to sell, the smart money will not sell. Very often, they do not sell exactly at the target price level. They usually sell a little bit above the target level. So here, the target was at 5408, but they push it, to the edge of the pink line. So now price break above that target. The next target is now the target that we are watching, the level, the key levels that the professional chartists are watching. Those who are trading the NASDAQ 100 is now at 6341. Note it down, 6341. You have to understand that when we have two targets, two profit target level, as we have it here, the first one at 5408 and the next one at 6341, professional will also set midpoint target. That midpoint target is at 5857. Very easy number, 5857, 5857. So remember that it's also a hot spot trading zone because it's the intersection between the 5857 and the pink line. So that intersection, that's where we are now. We are just above it. Is a hot spot trading zone. Very often we see a surge in trading volume or more trading activity in a hot spot trading zone. Alright. So this is about the targets one should set for the NASDAQ 100. So in order to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst, one should know how to set target for the NASDAQ 100. So those are the target that the professional are watching over the year. Now the target that we are watching, the current target, the imminent target that we are watching is 6341. The price is always headed to a specific target level, and there is a target now that we are watching, 6341. That's the red line on my charts. But we have not yet finished, okay? We have not yet finished. So in order to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst, all right, we'll also pay attention to the trend lines. So the trend lines is about the trend. So you want to trade a trend, you want to trade above a bullish trend, to buy above bullish trend, to sell below bearish trends. So the professional chartist will draw, okay, high impacts, all right, or significant trend lines. So what are the significant trend lines that the professional NASDAQ 100 traders are monitoring at this junction? All right, so there is one here that I've put on my chart. That's the pink one I've been talking about. If you look carefully on my chart, connecting the high of March 2012, the high of March 2012, all right, to the high, which one is that? To the high of March 2015, okay, March 2012 connected to the high of March 2015. That will allow you to draw the pink trend line. So recently you can see, that's how I was telling you, that though the target was at 5408, the professional pushed it to the edge of that pink trend line, where they did sell it for 1 month. So the month of June 2017, as the price was in the vicinity of that pink trend line, professional did sell it. It's a hot spot between the pink line and the level of 5857. It's a hot spot. They did sell it. They did sell the NASDAQ 100 there. Price pulled back to retest the black line here. What is this black line here? That black line. So price breaks a bow. You see, it breaks a bow, that black trend line, went to the pink trend line that we just talked about, and then pull back to retest that black trend line. And from there, he found a support on the edge of that significant black trend line, and now it's going now, and we are again on the edge of that pink trend line. What is that black trend line? That black trend line is the median line of the second half of my pitchfork tool, second half. So this is the upper half of the pitchfork tool, right? And this is the second half of my pitchfork tool. By drawing or by dividing the second half of my pitchfork tool, we have what we call the median line of that, okay, second half of the pitchfork tool. So how did I draw my pitchfork tool? By connecting this point here. So somewhere, hold on please, traders. Connecting the low of October to 1990, the low of the month of October 1990, if you can see on your chart, hopefully you will see it. If not, yeah, it's time to look for better, okay, trading software. I'm not saying that you have to, but it will be useful for you to see more data. Connecting that low to the high, you see this high here, the high of March 2000, and the low of October 2002. So with those 3 points, we can put that pitchfork tool on our chart, because there was a bullish trend, and then we see a correction. We have 3 points. We apply that pitchfork tool, all right? So in 2007, the price break below that pitchfork tool, which means it became bearish, because the pitchfork tool determined the possible path that the price will take. So that was the path, that bullish path that the NASDAQ 100 was taking before, but it breaks below that pitchfork tool. Break below, it came back to retest the edge of that pitchfork tool in 2014 and went back inside that gigantic pitchfork tool. So after retesting the edge of the pitchfork tool, so it break below it in 2008, retest the edge, did not find a resistance, but quickly re-enter that pitchfork tool, confirming to us that the bullish momentum that was in place before, okay, the price is regaining, so to speak, the market sentiment is becoming one more time bullish. So you see that when it came out of that gigantic pitchfork tool, it's indicating to us that the market is becoming bearish. Now it re-entered that pitchfork tool, alerting us one more time that the market sentiment has changed from bearish to bullish, and we are now finding a support inside that gigantic pitchfork tool. And there was a confirmation, in fact, a validation of that the pitchfork tool. You see the edge of that pitchfork tool. Can you see that brown? The lower part of the pitchfork tool form a double bottom chart pattern on the edge of the lower part of the pitchfork tool, indicating to us that this level here on the edge of that lower part of the pitchfork tool is a valid support level. From that point onward, the price start going up. See here? Start going up. Now we are on the edge. We are at the hot spot trading zone, the intersection between the pink line, the pink trend line, and that level of 5857. All right, so those are the things that you need to pay attention to if you want to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst. You use profit target, okay? Where are we going? It's about the profit target level. What has happened before is about where did people sell or buy the NASDAQ 100. They did sell it here, okay, in the zone of $48.00, in the zone of 4800 in 2000. They sold it down 4800. Recently, the price returned to that level. See, in that zone, people did sell again one more time. So it came down, market acknowledged. They sold it again there, but instead the price did not form a new lower low. So they sold it first time. People thought that there will be a reversal here because significant level 4800. You are trading NASDAQ 100. You are a technical trader. That level, they sold it there. This is about what has happened before. Where are we going? It's about profit target. What has happened before? They did sell it. That level 4800, significant resistance level for NASDAQ 100. So in 2015, price came near that level. They sold it one more time. Price retest the edge of that significant, that gigantic pitchfork tool, bounce up again to the same level 4800. All right, came back again to retest the edge of that pitchfork tool. Now it came back again to that level 4800, and we have what we call the negation of a trading signal. They did not sell it anymore. What it's telling us is that the orders to sell at the 4800, those orders have evaporated, so to speak. Those orders, those sell orders, has dissipated. Now we do not need any level 2 trading. We do not need the market, level 2 trading tool. In this case, the price is confirming to us that there is no more demand to sell the NASDAQ 100 at a 4800 at this junction. See here, we see a kind of a tiny consolidation as the price was retesting that level of 4800. That's the dotted line here. And from there, you see how it touches that red trend line. What is that red trend line? It is a channel. You see that channel here? You see that a channel that was supporting the price from the beginning, from the mid 2010. You see that red channel? See? That's right channel. The price breaks above it and retests it. This is what the price is doing all the time. Breaks above, retest, break below, retest. So the price breaks above that red channel that was supporting the price here. The price was confined in that red channel. He breaks above it and retests it on the edge. Trader use what we call a top-down trading method and bought it, and the price is now running up. We are now heading, we are now at the midpoint target of that 6341. So this is about the navigation of the price. Where are we now? What has happened before? All right. And where are we going? Okay, where are we now? So you remember the three questions. In order to become a more efficient, okay, NASDAQ 100 chart analyst, one must constantly answer those three questions. So you see how we done it now? What has happened before? They did sell NASDAQ at 4800. We see the reaction. We understand that this is a negation of a bearish signal. There is no more demand to sell NASDAQ 100 at 4800 as they did sell it here before. It's very bullish now, okay? Where are we going? This is about what I was telling you at the beginning, using the profit target. Now we are going to the 6341. That's the target. But there is a midpoint target. Where are we now? We are now at the midpoint target at 5857. So if you want to, for instance, okay, we want to put a question to somebody who is applying to become a professional trader. We can ask those questions. All right. So you apply to become a professional trader. We ask you now, where is the NASDAQ 100 now? You should be able to answer that question now. Where is the NASDAQ 100 headed? You should be able to answer that question. All right. And what has happened before? You should be able to answer those three questions. If you fail to answer those three questions, it means that you need to catch up, okay, and start improving your chart analysis and become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analysis. All right, so those are the three questions that professional chartists, professional technical trader are asking consistently. Client will ask you, so your client will ask you, where are we now? Where are we going? Okay, all right. And what has happened before? They will ask you those questions, and you should be able to answer those questions. We know where we are now. We know where we are going. Now we can make excellent decisions. So, talking about making trading decision, what are we looking for? That's the question we have to ask. In order to, now we want to trade, practically trading as 100, okay. What are we looking for? We are looking for a valid trading setup at a hotspot trading zone or on the edge of a trend line. Those are the trading setup that we want to trade. Professional always trade on the edge. See this red line? The edge, on the edge, on the edge. On the edge of the lower part of the channel, the bottom, we have a double bottom on the edge. Those are hot spot trading zone on the edge of the pink trend line. Those are hot spot trading zone on the edge of a horizontal key level, the 48. Let's put back that level, 4800. That's where they did sell it before. On the edge, they sold it on the edge of that 4800. Okay. What are we looking for? We are looking for high probability trading setup on the edge or at a hot spot trading zone. We are now at the median line, okay, at a midpoint target. That's where we are now. We are heading to this level. So for us, all we can say to those who are trading the NASDAQ 100, because all we can say, priority to bullish signal above 4857. Priority to bearish signal below it. So that level is the line here. I will color it now into orange. Okay, and then we can go now monthly chart. We want to swing trade. So the market is bullish, is becoming very bullish because there was no more demand to sell 48. All right, there are more to this. Yes, I'm continuing to record this video today. Hopefully we'll have more view for those videos because videos about NASDAQ 100, we have 50 views. I can't be bothered too much to record more video about NASDAQ 100. If you're having 50 views, 60 views for 1 year. All right, now let's move on to swing trade. Go to the daily chart to investigate what's happening. All right. So those who did sell it here before got a good reason, price from a lower high, and the common center line here was kaput. Swing traders who did sell it on the edge of that midpoint target 5857 here got a good reason to do so. All right. Now, if the price form a lower low followed by a higher low. If we have a higher low here, that will be a high probability trailing setup. All right, so now we are retesting that 5857. We break above, we are retesting it now on a daily chart. This is okay, a bullish trading setup on the daily chart, not on the monthly chart. So on a monthly chart, one may say, okay, this is a bullish signal. So what is your trading setup on a monthly chart? Priority to bullish signal above 5857. Now breaks above, retest. So you will use this one now. So, daily chart, breaks above, retest. Let's go now to the daily chart to investigate. You see now how you can break it down from the monthly chart, daily chart. So there's a kind of a dodgy, funny triangle here on the hourly time frame. Can you see that? You drop it down, go horizontal here. All right. Can you see that? Or you may see there's a consolidation going on. This is what's going on now. Be a little bit patient. Allow them to show you a clear-cut move, and then you want to pay attention to it. All right. Without too much blah 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 from my side, and avoiding that the video is too long, let's go back to our main discussion, which is about how to become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst. One more thing before we wrap it up, my friend. I'm going to go back to my monthly chart. As I told traders at dayprotraders.com, I'm going to recommend an essential tutorial that trader must watch. The title of that video was Fibonacci Trader Reveals the Magic of 138.2% Fibonacci Extension Level. Check it out so you may understand what I'm about to do now on this chart, okay? Now, before we continue, I want to draw traders' attention to something here. You see the trending first here, price went up all the way up to this point and then pull back. If we apply Fibonacci extension to this trending first, from here all the way up there, if you apply Fibonacci extension level, there's another key level that we want to highlight here. It's the 13. I'm not going to draw it. I'm just going to mention it to you. It's the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that trending first. Here, all the way up here. That level is corresponding to 6600. Note it down. The reason why you need to note it down is that as I told traders, okay, this is what we want to understand. The professional traders love that key level, the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. But allow me to say to new traders that I do not use exactly 138.2. I use instead 138.0. This is to speak to new traders. All right. So, because the target that we were talking about is at a 6341, understand that the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that trending first is a little bit above that 6341, and it is the level of 6600. So do not forget the 6600. If the NASDAQ 100 reaches that level of 6341, professional will prefer to sell instead if they want to sell. I'm not saying that they're going to sell. If they want to sell, they will prefer to sell at 6600 instead of 6341. There is another level that they may sell at. This is about the video that I was telling you about. The Fibonacci Trader revealed the magic of 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. Apart from the 6600, there is another level above it. They will apply the Fibonacci extension to this measuring stick here. You see this measuring stick that we were using from here up. That's measuring stick. They will apply Fibonacci extension to that measuring stick. Okay. And then we will highlight also the 138.2% level of that measuring stick. If I do it carefully, more accurately, you see that it's just a little bit above. Okay. I can't believe it. Hold on, please. Hold on, please read it. I have two lines, so I want to know which one I'm talking about. Okay. of selling now. That new 138.2 is just here. So apart from the 6600, understand that there's another level. Hold on, please. I will remove. Okay, there's another level, 6690. So in a zone of 66 up to 6690, it's a better place where the professional will prefer to sell the NASDAQ 100 if he reaches that target of 6341. I can go on and on and on, talking about technical analysis, chart analysis of NASDAQ 100. If I switch into the mind of area wave traders, on a monthly chart, we were counting area wave at the 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. I will be recording another video about the NASDAQ 100 using area waves at the 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel. But quickly to touch, okay, to go into the mind of area wave traders quickly, we have counted 5 waves, first wave, second wave. Our third area wave has been extended, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by the fourth wave, and we are on the monthly chart. We are in the fifth wave, all right, on the monthly chart. But quickly to mention to area wave traders, if we just stop on the monthly chart, all right, that would be a mistake, yes or no? Why? Because we need to take into consideration also the higher degree wave count. So I will be talking about it at the 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Whenever I have time to record a video about the NASDAQ 100, okay, using area wave principle. So we don't want the video to be too long, so this will conclude our discussion today about chart analysis, become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst. Ask the 3 questions, all right? Where are we now? We are the midpoint target level at 5857. Where are we going? We are going to the target level 6341. But the professional trader will prefer to sell between the 6600 and 6690 using the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. All right? What has happened before? The professional did sell the NASDAQ 100 at 4800. Recently, we have seen a negation of a bearish signal in that zone. Therefore, there is no more demand to sell the NASDAQ 100 at 4800. The price is now going up and is headed to 6341. So those are the 3 questions that one must ask all the time. Where are we now? Where are we going? What has happened before? Those questions will help us to see whether there is a change in the market sentiment or not. Now, for practical trading, all right, we will ask the last question, okay? What are we looking for? This is about practical trading. Now we are looking for high probability trading setup where on the edge of a trend line and also in a hot spot trading zone, whether we are day trading, swing trading, or position trading, the NASDAQ 100 index itself or the component of the NASDAQ 100 index. So if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. I always read the comment, all right? And in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question, all right? If you find this video truly useful, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless recording, please let us know by giving us the thumbs down. If you think it's an essential tutorial for NASDAQ 100 trader or technical trader or chart analyst, all right, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about chart analysis. Become a more efficient NASDAQ 100 chart analyst. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon. Ah oui, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon.